NBC29 forecast.
And another gorgeous day, of course, picking up where yesterday left off, albeit a few degrees warmer. There's the view from the Charlottesville camera here on a Tuesday evening. The sun will set at 7:34, getting earlier and earlier. Let's take a look at our numbers. Currently at the airport, checking in at 83 degrees, made it up to 86 for a high today. Dew points are still low. They're in the 50s, so it's not overly humid. Now, that number will change a bit tomorrow, preceding the next front. Tomorrow will be our warmest day of the week. Currently in the Shenandoah Valley, 79 early this morning at the airport, which is a cool spot. It was 50, so that was one of the exceptions, but it was a cool start for most of us this morning with temperatures down in the 50s and a few low 60s. 81 currently in Madison, 79 in Palmyra. We have 80 in Louisa, 78 in Waynesboro, and 79 currently in Harrisonburg. So most of us tonight with southerly winds, we'll see numbers generally in the low 60s, not as cool as it was this morning. Tomorrow is the warmest day of the week. Most locations will top out in the upper 80s, a few middle 80s in the Shenandoah Valley. Mix of sun and clouds, a little bit more humid. We move into the late afternoon. We're likely to see a few storms develop along the Piedmont, and that'll be, mid to late afternoon. And then tomorrow late in the evening, we'll watch some showers and thunderstorms as they move out of West Virginia, approach from the west. Currently a marginal risk, that's 1 on the scale of 1 to 5 for severe weather, is highlighted across a good portion of the mid-Atlantic. So storms that do develop, isolated severe weather possible. The main threat, damaging wind gusts, perhaps some spotty hail. So temperatures warmest tomorrow, preceding the front. The front will come through Thursday morning, so we'll likely begin with a few showers, some clouds. That'll give way to some clearing, upper 70s, low 80s, and really a pleasant stretch takes us from the late weekend to the start of the weekend. Things are quiet on NBC29's Doppler radar network. High pressure along the coast, and our next front's currently working its way across the upper Midwest. These are some big storms that have come through portions of Michigan, back through Illinois, now deeper into Indiana. And most of the energy tomorrow is going to pass off to our north, but the front will be close by, along with the daytime heating. That'll give rise to some of those showers and thunderstorms. Not overly hot by any stretch, not overly humid, but temperatures will come up a bit more tomorrow preceding that front. Disturbance in the southern Gulf of Mexico is moving off to the northeast. Could become better organized over the next couple of days. Whether it gets a name or not, the next name would be Mindy. It still looks like moisture is going to impact the northeastern Gulf. And then this is Larry. Larry is still a formidable Category 3 hurricane, winds at 115 miles an hour. The big swells are continuing to emanate closer toward the eastern seaboard, and that'll be the case the rest of the week. So dangerous rip currents, big surf in association with Larry. Larry will pass east of the island of Bermuda. Currently a tropical storm watch is up for the island, and then it'll continue to rapidly accelerate as it works east of the Atlantic Canada area and up toward Newfoundland and Labrador. Temperatures tomorrow morning start in the 60s, will warm and become a bit more humid during the afternoon, mid to upper 80s. A few storms along the Piedmont in the afternoon, and then we'll watch this line of showers and thunderstorms. It may weaken a bit, but bring us more rain early Thursday, and the morning hours will start to give way to some clearing skies by afternoon on Thursday with temperatures either side of 80. Mostly clear seasonable tonight. We're in the low 60s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. The midweek front highlights our action for the week, if you will, and then a pleasant air mass set to return here for the late week. And right now, the weekend looks good.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you very much.